Hi, I'm Ranaa Aziz. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to wear this very casual looking tudung. Dia macam sangat relax. This is a kind of style that I imagine you pakai dengan t-shirt, dengan jeans ataupun even actually you can even wear it for Raya. Maybe like, you know, 3rd or 4th day of Raya. Something very casual, nampak relax, nampak very santai. Sebab konon-kononnya macam is a type of shawl you pakai campak-campak je. Nampak macam pakai campak-campak je. Nampak? Tak semestinya pakai campak. Alright, without further ado, let's continue with the tutorial. We start off with wearing the embellishment on this side. Okay, pin it over here. Bring it to the front to cover. Pin the shorter one to your shoulder. Take the longer part. You can create some sort of like a drape with it. And just bring it over here. You can let it a bit looser. Tarik sampai the other side. This style is very simple, but you have to be careful to not make it look too messy. I love having all these drapes. Alright, and you're done. So best is for you to pin it over here to secure it. And we're done. The style is very casual. I think this is suitable for, you know, like 3rd or 4th day of Raya, especially if you want to wear it with like a simple kaftan or pants and shirt. It would totally suitable, especially wearing this color with jeans. Belakang dia labuh tapi tak ada labuh sangat, but you can adjust supaya dia jadi lagi labuh. Most importantly, you really have to be careful. You can susun the drape to not make it look messy. It's supposed to be like macam nampak very casual, very relaxed, but not too messy. If you want to know more about Ranaa or you want to see all available colors, you can just click the link down below.